Okay, thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I'll share with you how to install Styleworks XT Universal in 2025. Before we continue with the installation video, for those of you who haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment. Now, let's get straight to the installation tutorial. First, you must have the installation file, including the activation code. And if anyone wants the software, you can chat via the WhatsApp number on the screen or in the video description. Please note, the software is paid, as the full version is free. And here I already have the file and activation code. There are two versions, 4.5 and 4.9. And of course, I'll be installing the latest version, 4.9 in 2025. Before we extract the file, we must first disable our antivirus. Whether it's Antivirus Defender, Smotiv, McAfee, or any other antivirus. If you're using Antivirus Defender, type Security into the Windows search bar, then click Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, and then disable Real-Time Protection and Cloud-Delivered Protection. This will ensure a smooth installation. Now, we'll extract the file. Click on it, then right-click, and select Extract to Styleworks. Wait for the extraction process to complete. Once the extraction is complete, a folder will appear, and we can open it. Inside the folder are several files: installation instructions in document form, installation instructions in video form, installation files, and ZUDAT files. Next, we'll extract the installation files in Keygen. Right-click on the file and select Extract to Installation Files. Wait for the extraction process to complete. The extracted folder will appear, and we can open it. Right-click on Styleworks XT Universal and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Click Next. Check the I agree box and click Next. Then, don't change anything on this screen. Just click Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, check the Start Application box and then click Finish. This will automatically open the Styleworks XT Universal software. After Styleworks XT Universal opens, it will automatically ask for registration. How do I register? Here, we won't be using the activation from the ZUDAT file, as we'll register automatically. To do this, return to the folder we extracted earlier and click on the Keygen file, right-click, and then click Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Once the Keygen screen appears, reopen Styleworks XT Universal. We'll move the screen away from you to avoid distractions. Be careful with this step, as many users experience failure. Now, we'll enter the Keygen first, then click anywhere on the yellow screen, and click OK. Then click Register, then OK. Once the Keygen is complete, we'll switch to the Styleworks XT Universal interface. In Styleworks XT Universal, click Start Registration, then select Automatic. The serial number and PIN 1 will then appear. Next, enter PIN 1 from Styleworks into PIN 1 of the Keygen. Now, let's enter 664,418. After entering the number into PIN 1 of the Keygen, click Generate. Then, PIN 2 will appear in the Keygen. We'll use 6DT. Next, copy PIN 26BT from the Keygen and enter it into PIN 2 of Styleworks XT Universal. Delete the question mark. Then enter or paste PIN 2. After entering PIN 2, click OK. A prompt will appear on the screen. Click OK. Styleworks XT Universal has been successfully installed and activated. Click Exit to exit the Keygen. Now we'll review the features of Styleworks XT Universal in general. First, there's the Style Converter. Second, Song to Style. Third, Style Editor. Fourth, Logical Editor. Fifth, Play Style. And sixth, Import-Export. Then, let's see what keyboard types are supported. To do this, click on Configuration. You'll see Korg PA, Ketron, Roland, Yamaha, Technis, Gem, Wersi, Kawaii, Orla, and PG Musique. If the video is too fast, please take a screenshot. So, if you want to use Korg, please select it and adjust it to your keyboard type. The downloaded and extracted file must be deleted to ensure the license is valid. After deleting it, please reactivate your antivirus. Okay, that's it for the tutorial on installing Styleworks XT Universal. See you in the next video. Thank you.